Hi, welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the post-market analysis. Nifty on a intraday basis attempted a levels of 19,560 spot and saw a profit booking and shed entire gains and managed to close above 19,400 levels. As of now, 19,550 remains crucial resistance for the markets. For now, Nifty only if breaks 19,550 and trades convincingly, then we might see higher levels. Bank Nifty consolidation continues with a weaker bias. For past 10 trading sessions, the range being maintained is 44,200 to 45,700. Break of either levels on Bank Nifty would set the trend for the markets. That's all for now. Thank you. Do like, share, comment. Not yet subscribed our channel, Wealth Wizards? Do subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification on our next video for market insights. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.